Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Google Gemini voice. So if you already start using the Google Gemini, or you switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini such that each time you say, "Hey Google," then the Google Gemini pops. So if you want to change this particular Google Gemini voice, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change Google Gemini voice, come here and click on Google on your Android phone. This Google application is available on all Android devices. So if the Google app is missing, just come here, search for Google. Then click on it. Now, once you selected Google, click on the profile icon at the top right. Scroll down, locate and click on settings. Now, under settings, scroll down and it should say Gemini. Manage settings for Gemini, your AI assistant. Click on that. Now, to change your voice for Google Gemini, go ahead and click on Gemini's voice.
Feel free to keep exploring until you find the perfect voice.
Now, you can just swipe through to choose your perfect voice for your Google Gemini.
You can always change voices later. I'll be here whenever you're ready to talk.
If you're curious about the other voices, swipe to explore, or pick me to start talking. It's good to meet you. Give me a chance, or check out the other options.
Maybe I'm your style. Pick me and I can be the voice you hear.
I'd be honored to be the voice you choose for Gemini, but let's face it, the other voice...
Choosing a voice is tricky, but hopefully...
Maybe I'm the voice that's right. I'm another voice in the mix. I'll be here.
I'd be honored...
It's good. If you're curious,
You can always...
feel free to keep exploring until you find the perfect voice.
So once you've gotten your perfect voice for your Google Gemini, just go ahead and hit the buy button, and this particular voice will be set as your Android phone Google Gemini's voice. Then when next you say, "Hey Google, send a message to my woman."
Do you want my woman's number ending in 5,682 or 7,816?
5782. Okay, send happy Valentine message to her. So you see that? So that is exactly how you can easily change Google Gemini's voice on your Android phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.